Here's information on the required space between an electrical panel and a gas meter inside a utility room. The National Electrical Code outlines requirements for clearance around electrical panels. The NEC requires a minimum clearance of 30 inches wide and 36 inches deep in front of electrical panels. Regarding gas meters, the NEC does not specify a specific clearance requirement. However, the International Fuel Gas Code addresses gas meter clearances. The IFGC requires a minimum clearance of 3 feet in all directions around gas meter installations. It's also important to consider local building codes. Local building codes may have additional requirements for clearances around electrical panels and gas meters. You should consult the local building department to understand specific requirements in your area. In addition to the minimum clearance requirements dictated by codes, it's recommended to provide additional space for accessibility and maintenance. 1. For the electrical panel, it's recommended to provide a minimum of 4 feet of clearance in front of the panel for safe and convenient access. 2. For the gas meter, it's recommended to provide a minimum of 3 feet of clearance in all directions around the meter for inspection and servicing. Keep in mind that clearance requirements can vary depending on the size and configuration of both the electrical panel and the gas meter. It's always essential to consult with qualified electricians and gas technicians to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and safety standards in your specific situation. This will help you confirm all relevant codes are met.